is Sean Williams. I'd like to thank you for watching my presentation on my auction site that I did during this Web Frameworks course. My auction website closely follows the readings that we did in the Angular and TypeScript books. So this is just going to be a quick overview of my site. Right here you see I have my IDE open. I'm going to go ahead and get my site up and running. Right now I got it broken down into a client and server technology for easier deployment. So down here in my terminal, I'm going to change directories to my server directory. You can see here I have it broken down into client and server. So in my server directory, I'll go ahead and run npm start, and you can see here from my package.json that npm start will run the command node build main.js, and that will start my server, the Node Express server backend. And of course, you guys, that's probably similar. Here's all my data and all my source code for all that. You can see here now my Node.js server Express is listening on localhost port 9000. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up another terminal window. I'll leave that running. I'm going to change the directory to my client directory, and I'm going to get that up and running. Let me show you this real quick. Kind of the same thing in my client directory, my package.json. I'm going to run npm start, and that's going to run the ngserve, which is going to build my client side JavaScript code and use the built-in web server and get that ready. So start. And you can see here the Angular CLI is building everything and getting the client ready. Alright, so all my JS is bundled and built and ready to go. I'll minimize this, close it down. A little Thanos for Avenger fans out there. Okay, let's see here. So I'm going to navigate to localhost port 4200, and there's my auction site up and running. And like I said, I follow the book closely here for this project. Let me minimize this, get this out the way. Okay, so this is the landing page for the auction site. It renders a list of products that are there that can be auctioned. The landing page is broken down into a filter, or the first tab that initially loads shows all the products, and then I have a tab that's broken down and filters it to the household products, and then there's another tab that filters and breaks it down to outdoor products. So there's 3 tabs here, all household and outdoor. While I'm on this page, I'll show you the search functionality that's implemented with a drawer that comes in and out. So for example here, I can search for, let's search for that clock. You can see there's validation. I have a requirement, a minimum character length there, so saying title is too short. So you can see that it's already kicking in. So I can search for clock and then enter, and then once I do that, it filters it down and just shows just the clock. So I can clear that out, and that brings back everything again. I can hit the icon there, and that brings back to the home page with no filters. Let's see here. I got other search thing. I have minimal price and a maximum price. I can't enter in negative numbers here, so if I try -0, oops, -0, it should show me. What's going on here? Never fails on during. Okay, let's go. Did I do that right? -0. Huh. I have a little bug there. Let's see there. That's working there. There it goes. Okay. So there's the minimum maximum price there. There's validation that yours cannot be less than 0. I'm gonna have to look at that -0. I don't know why I entered that in. Okay. Then the max price. Then again, I can't put a negative number there. There's validation there. So I can do minimum price if I want something a minimum of $120. It'll filter everything by the value, minimum of 120. Or I can do a max price of 120. Then again, the maximum price there you can see is 25. Or I can do minimum price. Let's try this minimum price 75 and a max of 120, and that filters that there. Alright, so that's the search functionality. Let's go back to the main page here. And then when you click on an item, there is the detail page, detail component. This is the details for the sunglasses, the title, little description. Here's the ratings, how many stars it has, the last bidded price that for the sunglasses. Here's where you can leave reviews, and here's the previous reviews that are left in the star ratings. And then over here, there's more items to consider, kind of like that Amazon type feel. Alright, so first in here, let's see, this right now has 2 reviews, a 1 star and a 4 star, and it says user. So I can come here, I can click leave a review. I'll give this one 5 stars. Right now it's just 4 stars. So this will take an average of, and you'll see this update here once I enter this in. I'll say this is my new review. Click the add review. Then you see here it took the average, that updated that dynamically. Then you see here is my anonymous one that just added it to this list here. So that's the comments and reviews. Let's see here. Now I'm going to show you the bidding. Open up another, and you can see it's dynamic. Once I move that, you see how it kind of changes there. Alright, so right now I'm in a Safari browser. I'm going to open up a Firefox browser. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy this exact URLs. So navigate right to that product. So now you'll see I have 2 browsers open here, one Safari, one Firefox, and this is to demonstrate the bidding functionality with the WebSockets. So this live updates and pushes the notifications between each browsers. So the bid right now are just set for $5 increments. So you see here on the left, I'm going to place a bid in the Safari browser, and you'll see it update here automatically in the Firefox browser. So if I place bid here, it updates it to 75, and you see it change here, and then updated the place bid to 80. And same thing here, I can do place bid on the Firefox, and it'll update in the Safari. The only thing I did not implement as far as WebSockets is the comments. I didn't implement comments with the WebSockets, so that's the only thing I didn't do. I just did the bidding per the requirements for the assignments. But that's pretty much it. As far as functionality, it's pretty straightforward. Probably gonna be similar to pretty much everyone else's. You can see here I can navigate, and you see it updates from the closest one, so it's not. Actually, I'll leave it open. So see, I look at this brush one, it updates here dynamically. The same thing here, 25, and it kind of syncs back and forth. I can go back to the sunglasses and see it's still at 80. I can place a bid and go back. Kind of show you how it's just kind of responsive there. This is using the Flex layout built in from Angular. It's just responsive there. yeah, but that's pretty much the site. Pretty straightforward. Um, you know, master detail layout. You know, listing everything, and then some filters here, and go to details. Shows you more about it. You can leave reviews. See other place reviews. You place bids. Rating system here, and there's more suggestions here. And then when you click on here, it updates it live. So it's pretty cool application. But yeah, thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it, and looking forward to seeing everyone else's.